How to delete Chrome history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome browser on your phone. The Google Chrome app on iPhone allows users to browse the web, manage tabs, search the web, and synchronize settings across devices. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on History. You can view all your browsing history over here. If you want to delete your browsing history, then go to the bottom left corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. Choose the time range from here. For example, last 15 minutes. Then, tap on Delete Data. You have now successfully deleted the last 15 minutes browsing data. Following these steps, you can easily delete Chrome history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.